ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Down, down.
We demand
Justice.
We demand
Justice.
FD government.
Down, down.
Namar bamshim layo lat banyatai hapo ying dorbar halor ka Jingshah penyap jong General Secretary Barim ka HNLC kabala jia ka step perngap jong ka khatlai terik ubnai nailar arajar arpuai haying sa jong u kabadan hamaulai kenton masar ki MLA ka seng Kongres kilami Jyndat napo ying dorbar thawan jong ka jilla ki MLA ka seng Kongres kila kerpat yo lampang ka ying dorbar ban ailat ban ya Kren ya kani ka mat Bad ki kerpat ru ba unbu da ki kendon ba ulampang unbu khnang ba ka jingya Kren kanam long palat put bad kanam don jingta ai bad ka yeng bishar hanrai hadin ba kimshim layo lat ban ya Kren kilami Jyndat no
MJ government. Down, down. MJ government. Down, down. Congress Sama. Down, down. Congress Sama. Down, down. Congress Sama. Down, down.
What is the reason for the government and the chief minister to be hell-bent on protecting the senior officers? How does it help the state? And how does it affect the process of inquiry? It affects the process of complete inquiry from the perspective of free and fair inquiry. Because you know how the police organization works. When senior officers, when the point of finger is being pointed towards the senior officers, there are expected line of the course of investigation which will involve interrogation of junior officers, their subordinates. Will the subordinate police officers speak against the senior officers? Let us be very clear. Therefore, there is a need to ensure that the inquiry that is entrusted under the relevant provision of the rule for a judicial inquiry must be free from any influence from outside, free from any influence from the the senior officers of the police organization. And that is the reason why the people have appropriately echoed the same voice, and we only represent people.